do 3 winters as well there. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I would much appreciate this. I'm up to about 60 subscribers so far. And I'm posting lots of videos every single day as well. I'm probably posting more than any other YouTuber on YouTube, because I just create videos and videos and uploads. I actually got banned from YouTube for posting so many videos in one day. It stopped me uploading. I think I posted about 33 videos in one day, which is a hell of a lot. I don't think any YouTube creator has done that, but if you have, 33 is the maximum videos you can post in a day. So I think yesterday I posted about 10 videos, and that was a lot. So I'm posting lots of content, short videos, long videos, full cycles, unboxing, which was my favourite one. Just distributing here. It's captured that first 7 minutes today. It was a bit flickery yesterday when I was doing it. I think it's because I've got the torch on today. Actually see it a lot more. Andy Grando Vita. Smart Touch. I think this is the initial distribution here. The camera's not working properly. Just let me sort this out. There we go. No wonder it weren't filming properly. Yeah, I had it all zoomed in. Must have heard something. That's better.